Using Mobile Devices for Accessing eBooks, an Instructional Design Plan for Older Adults in a Public Library by Elizabeth Teisler, San Jose State University, Fall 2019. While print books are still highly favored by some library patrons, especially older adults, ebooks can offer many advantages for this population. Some of these benefits include increased availability of popular titles, larger selection of materials, instant access, sizable fonts, and a built-in dictionary. Through the use of mobile devices, library patrons can access and utilize ebooks from anywhere. Making older adults aware of the benefits of ebooks and providing them with the skills necessary to utilize them is something that a library educational program can provide. A needs assessment conducted by library staff determined that more than half of the older adults surveyed did not utilize ebooks because they were unfamiliar with them or didn't know how to download and use them on their mobile devices. The staff then determined that there was a sufficient desire and need for an educational program for older adults to be able to download ebooks onto mobile devices so that they can utilize these resources from anywhere. Participants in this proposed program should be able to utilize a web browser and perform simple navigation of the library website. Additionally, learners should have a basic knowledge of their mobile device, such as turning it on and off and accessing the internet. This instructional program is best suited for an in-person, face-to-face environment with a small class size. Motivating learners to participate in the instruction is dependent on being able to accurately address the benefits and what they will be able to accomplish upon completion of the educational session. This includes defining terms, detailing the benefits of ebooks, searching the library catalog for ebooks, installing apps on a mobile device, downloading an ebook to a mobile device, understanding library ebook policies, and utilizing mobile device navigation features. The proposed information presentation will include an introduction lecture, a structured question and answer session on the benefits of ebooks, a lecture on mobile devices and required apps, a demonstration of installing apps onto a mobile device, participant hands-on practice of installing apps, a demonstration of a library catalog search, learners' hands-on practice searching library catalog, a demonstration of downloading an ebook onto a mobile device, hands-on practice downloading ebooks, a short lecture on library usage rules for ebooks, a demonstration of mobile device features and navigation, and hands-on practice using the device's navigation features. Lastly, there will be a review of the demonstrated skills, and the instructor will answer any additional questions. Learners will participate in the instruction by reading overheads during the lectures, engaging in a structured question and answer session, and watching demonstrations and practicing skills. Learners will complete the session with a downloaded ebook and the opportunity to ask questions and seek additional assistance. Success or failure of the instructional goals can be measured by learners' ability to download an ebook onto their device, which is the result of accomplishing all cumulative skills. A questionnaire will be provided at the end of the instructional session to evaluate learner satisfaction. In addition, staff can utilize circulation statistics to see if ebook usage increases after instructional sessions. Follow-through can include an informal interview to assess if participants are continuing to download and use ebooks. Attendance numbers at future instructional sessions can also be used to verify word-of-mouth popularity. This instructional design is based on a face-to-face, in-person instruction model. Instructional materials will include a PowerPoint presentation, which will outline session activities and highlight important points. The PowerPoint presentation will contain a combination of screen capture images and graphic illustrations to provide visual support for demonstrations and links to additional resources. Print versions of device-specific instructions will be provided for learners who prefer to have a hard copy of materials. Additionally, participants will be offered a digital copy of the PowerPoint presentation. The formative evaluation that will take place during the instruction will include instructor attention and awareness to how well learners seem to be integrating the information. If needed, the instructor can modify instruction by slowing down, repeating material, and providing additional clarification. Instructors should also make note of any course corrections to incorporate into future sessions. The summative evaluation of the overall instruction can be measured by learner accomplishment of accumulative skills, the participant feedback questionnaire, an increase of enrollment in future sessions, and circulation statistics that demonstrate a rise in ebook usage. Access to the complete instructional design plan can be found at the following URL. Thank you.